gonna do the ice cream yummy and the Elon, you guys. And nasa iba, yeah, I'm in Philippines. I'm a Filipino. And I'm gonna do the ice cream yummy and the L at the same time. Okay, I'm sorry for doing the L on you guys. And that was funny. I think I did some funny business. What? Okay, let's go to the goats. I ended my video. Okay. What? Spooky. Erica, say hi. Hello. And that's my best friend. And we're going to the goats. Yeah, goats. Once I think about the goats, her goats, I started thinking about the goats like Ronaldo. Okay, I'm not putting this on my chest, that's why it keeps going outside. Hi, little goaties.
A baby sheep.
Those are her sheep. And they don't actually like to be on camera.
Yeah.
Ah, stop TNT. Ew.
Actually, we're asking it.
That's, I already said that. I said it first.
Okay. Oh, baby. Oh, don't do that. Again, you little chico, wiko, girl.
Say goodbye, Erica.
Bye, Erica.
Why do you keep copying what I say? Yeah, those are motor, tricycle, jeep. I still don't know where jeeps go. Where jeeps stop. At the market, at the Banwa. I don't know. Oh, the barco. No. Oh, bird!
The goat smile.
Why did you make the goat smile? No, you're a normal goat.
Come here, Bubbly.
No, I want to be dog pile dog. My baby. No, you go. I don't want to be dog pile dog. No, I want the longest video. No, I'm not playing with you guys. I think this is the end.
No, it's not the end of the video.
Then no. Erika, nagbugto ni bala.
Ako naman siya.
Mabugto pa na kung duwa. Tuod kay isang kami duwa. Di isang mami ko nagbugto. Okay, it's what you want it to be the end of the video.
No. I just...
I'm gonna say, and if you're asking what is tunok,
here.
yeah,
But it's already covered with thorns.
you mean tunok.
Yeah. That's what we say at Philippines.
Yep, I'm gonna